What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Just wanted to say something to you real quick. Remember I was talking about hustling all the time, preparing yourself, networking. You can make the money. I just did an ad, and I lied to you not. I posted an ad yesterday, and today I just made $100. Now, easy $100, easy, by posting the free ad. We must utilize all of our assets. Craigslist, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace. Network what you have. We complain a lot and say, man, I don't have this and that, but we have all type of junk that you're not even using that's around you. Sell it, get rid of it. Use it for an investment to get a come up. But to complain all the time and, man, how I'm gonna do this, and I've seen so many guys that say that and they got everything they need, but they would not hustle. Like, they refuse to think outside the box. I got a couple homeboys that got an old school that they doing bad and they won't sell that car because that car is like their identity. They can pull out the 26s or the 24s and probably pull a little chicken head or something, you know what I'm saying? So they cool with pulling a bopper, you know what I mean? They broke though, but they can shine up though, you see what I'm saying? So, man, I ain't with that. I would rather have the bread, fuck the car, fuck all that extra stuff, and I'm doing bad? Nah, ain't nothing wrong with getting it, but get your bag right first, then get that. Ain't nothing wrong with it, but don't hustle backwards, man. Hold on.